The best thing he said as I walked out of his office, it was very cool. He said, "Now I want you to go have fun, go enjoy yourself. I got this." I had not had that feeling in years.
It's a lot of craziness and it's a lot of hell, but helping people get to that other side where they can be happy and watching it happen and making it happen is amazing. What became pretty clear was that I was really good with people, particularly one-on-one. And I also was good at coming up with a roadmap through the divorce process so that they could get their new life started.
I went to Ted because I was looking for an attorney that was aggressive. Immediately you can tell he's intelligent in the law. I walked out of his office feeling like someone finally heard me.
I've executed a lot of different strategies that have come to good results, and I'm not afraid to bring up issues, bring up theories of the case in some of the obscure parts of the law that a lot of attorneys wouldn't. There are a lot of people who are just one-horse operations. It's really important to have a fighting team that I have. Really, really good organization.
You have the most precious thing at stake, so it's like you never feel confident. Ted was always just like, "Don't sweat it." He goes, "You are doing great." Everything, like he always kept me at bay. He's a straight shooter.
And when you walk in, we're gonna make you feel comfortable. Sit down with doors closed, and we will talk about what your situation is. A lot of people are happy in their new lives, and I guided them there.
There were multiple times in the courtroom where things just took a different turn. And with every situation we were in, or whatever we were presented with, Ted had a plan, and he was prepared with every single document we needed in that courtroom at that very moment. And that was what I am so very grateful for. If I were to have another child, I would name him or her after Ted.
There are times when you start out in a case and things don't immediately go your way. 10% of family law cases go to trial, and I would also say that probably 10% of cases that go to trial may have to be appealed. But you have to be persistent. Having the background in appeals allows me to keep an eye towards the war. If we don't win the battle at the trial court level, sometimes you could win the war in the appellate court. And understanding how appeals work, understanding the issues in the case law, understanding where the trial judge may make mistakes, allows me to ultimately get the appropriate result.
I wish I would have met Ted sooner. It was just so bad for so long, and I tolerated it for a long, long time. I missed the boat, but it's never too late. He's like just one of a kind.